All right, peace. This is Cameron Simons, LMT, Brother Cam, aka Energy Conductor, aka Squeeze Master. Today, we're at the Purely Holistic Soul Expo. I'm doing chair massage slash energy work. Then also here you have the RMU Lab, where we have organite. So I encourage people to come over here and just experiment with the organite. This is life force energy. This is chi prana, and I have some descriptions about what exactly orgone energy is. And so I'll just bring you through as you're watching. So these right here are my orgone chords, and I've been working with this energy for about a decade and a half now. And so these chords are actually in the middle of these orgone pieces here. If you see right here, this is the cores in the act of chemtrail busting. So this is where I was actually out in California. We were getting hit heavily by the chemtrails. And so if you see, this is probably no more than a 10-minute exposure, but this shows how these cores were able to break up the chemtrail clouds. And so putting them into the pyramids now, you're also getting the effect of the negative ions that are created from the shape of the pyramid. So this is combining, marrying the two energies. So I'm an energy worker. I've been an energy worker for 20 something years, and so this is just a kind of like the culmination of what I've been doing over these 20 years. So thank you, Nicholas, for putting this together. Thank you, Monique. Thank you, Sister Kufunya, for putting this together and giving us a platform to express our art and our healing and bring this healing to the community. Y'all can find me at armew.com. That's ARMEW.com. You can find me if you want to email me and contact me. You can contact me at Cameron at armew.com. And I'm also on Instagram, a.r.m.e.w, and YouTube, where I do some sunrise Tai Chi. So if you catch me on the live, or you can go back and look, and it's going to be, it's RMU University. So it's just going to be, every lesson is going to be building on the last lesson, where we're developing the Dantian, developing our Chi energy, and developing our sensitivity, which is also what all this is about. Developing your sensitivity to Chi, to prana, to life force energy, and then running with the technology and using it in your body, which is technology. All right, shout out to Demetrius at Comedic Eye Films as well. Thank you, brother, for the work that you're doing, documenting this and making sure that we have a record of all these great healers, all these great practitioners. So I want to shout you out too, brother. Thank you. This is all to like increase your immunity response. It's to boost cognitive function, your reflex, your response versus in your body back into a sacred geometrical pattern. So you end up feeling like it's kind of like a rebirth, like a shedding, right over there.
Hi, my name is Marie Wright. I'm here at the Expo. I'm the owner of Wright Essentials Holistic Wellness Center. I'm here today doing body scans that will identify any sort of imbalance in your body. It will let you know on the frequency of if there's something going on that the doctors have identified in your body. Well, this will confirm it. So come in and have a body scan today. I'm located in Bed-Stuy. My number is 908-230-8301. I'm also doing the sauna here today. So we have people right now in the sauna taking advantage of that. And what that will do is help to detox your body, release toxins, also energize your body, will help you to sleep at night. Also, it will help you to stimulate the cells, to regenerate your cells. So we're here at the expo. Come on down and see us.
Greetings, family. My name is Omar, and I'm one half of what goes on at the Omziel Healing Sanctuary. My wife is the other half. We're located in North Bergen, New Jersey. One of our staples is the breath work with the ice plunge. We have the tub, we've got the ice, we're ready to go. But in addition to that, we have other offerings also. We also offer the firecracker right here. It's all organic, fresh squeezed ginger, turmeric, apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, lemon. It's better than a cup of coffee in the morning. Takes out all the mucus, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, all of that. We also have sea moss. Irish sea moss. We also add elderberry and Ceylon cinnamon to it for added boost and flavor too. Then we have other offerings. We have the mala beads. We have the mini sound bowls too. Every home should have a sacred area in their home, and this is great for it. We also have the sage that we also have, and we make some T-shirts too. We made one for the event just today. Here it is, the Purely Holistic Soul. You can find us on the internet at the OMZL Healing Sanctuary. We're on all social media platforms. That's OMZIEL. Look for us. Peace. 10. That's it. We've got like 4 or 5 brave souls. We're going to be right here for everyone to see. Thank you.
Yes, and I also want to add, getting started is simpler than you think. You can start in your own bathtub or with a cold shower at home. And it has been proven the benefits compound over time. Anxiety levels drop dramatically, depression lifts naturally, sleep improves significantly, and your body, remember, your body is a very smart computer, organic, and your body also remembers how to regulate itself, okay? Also, why does it work? It works so consistently, your body can't overthink in cold water. The response is purely psychological. No willpower or mental strength is needed. The healing happens whether you believe it or not. How do you like those apples and oranges? And also, the magic isn't how long the exposure is. It just 2 or 3 minutes is enough. Your body knows exactly what to do. The response is automatic and powerful. Nature's reset button is available to everyone. So we got it. We got it right here, like Brother Sizzler would say. We got it right here at the Purely Holistic Soul Expo. Let's go, DJ Hassan.
This is a Nat Turner Rebel Development Organization Incorporated. And this was started with my godson, Ibrahim Pastor Ayu, PastorAyuNation.com. And what it is a 501c3 nonprofit to help people who are in prisons and penitentiaries have prayer service and help with their issues, whether mental or emotional, because we know that it's not uh, the walls does not make the prison. The prison is in your mind. So we also teach self-defense, and he has his first book out over here. This is my first book. I'm also known as Flowers Mother with Sense. I'm an African hand healer. This is called What's in Your Hands? Ancient African Hand Healing Health. Ancient African Hand Healing. 5 things. Okay. 5 things. Ancient African Hand Healing Health. So this is pain and stress and discomfort relief from 2300 BC, from the pyramids, who were the doctors to the pharaohs, which said, who said first, I will not harm you? It was not Hippocrates, as we know. Until the 1700s, all the medical books were in Arabic in the world. So we know that you had to come to Africa to learn something if you wanted to know something. And then, of course, over in China, they developed acupuncture, and they found the meridians. And in India, they found the pranic life force. But all over the world, people found a way to say, this is how you heal. You use the golden ball of light. You give forgiveness. You forgive yourself. You forgive all others. And not only that, you also love yourself. And you tap and you touch your body. And we found this out. When you do this, old food out, new fuel in, tap every part of your body. That's quantum healing. quantum healing. Then some of you know about the tapping summit they have every year with Nick Ortner and his sister. It's free every year for 10 days. And if you miss the class, once you register, you have 24 hours to watch that class. Everybody's been on there from Tony Robbins to Alan Van Zant to Marissa Peer to, um, but every thought shaper, Brandon. The point being that we are minds with bodies, not bodies with minds. And we need to accept that we were designed perfectly and we need to accept it and go forward. I'm only 78 and I say, you got to be able to lift your leg. You got to do something, move it or use it or lose it. But have your plan so that you can always say, yes, I'm healed, I'm healed, I'm healed. If you don't do anything else, just say, I'm healed, I'm healed, I'm healed. And let the source do it. I recognize namaste means I salute the divine in you as it salutes the divine in me. So I have to recognize the divine in me and vice versa. They say, I'm in God, God's in me. So we are one. All of us get used to it. Peace of God be with you. Oh, these are my Malcolm signature t-shirts. This has Malcolm's signature on it from the OAAU membership card. And over here you see the Providence where it says small flowers. That's Professor James Small from Professor James Small's classes on YouTube, the African history. And it's his membership card that the signature's from. And his sister Ella gave me permission to use it in 1979. That's why it says copyright 1980. This part fell off of this. I've been using this screen since 1980. So I just wrote the copyright 1980 on it. But yeah, and everything's $25 except 20 today, of course. And if you want a hand healing, I will give you a hand healing, remove stress, pain, and give you peace of mind. And he has these things, which will help you get good nutrition in your body. Because, and that's what you mix it up and drink it. So you have to know that you are one. You have to know that you were designed. When you look in your hand, you see any scars? Why do we accept total healing in our hand? We need to accept it in every part of our being. I'm Mother Witch Sense Flowers. Nathaniel Nathalin Flowers. 347-446-0629. Flowers Nathalin, Nathylin, at gmail.com.
Greetings